Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select graphic quality on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New. That's my phone, and if you want to select the graphic quality of the game, go to the blue line at the upper part of the screen, go to the second button, the settings, and in the game section you can find the third option, the graphic quality. Actually I use the high option, but you can use the ultra high, the medium, or the low. Just select one, for example the medium, and click that and you can really reach that quality. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.